As a real estate investor, especially a wholesaler and a flipper, when looking for discounted properties for sale, you cannot leave a single rock unturned. With continued low inventory, you need to double down your efforts when it comes to hunting for good deals. So on this video, I'm going to share with you 15 of the best websites to find investment properties in 2022 coming up.
This video is brought to you by the 100% Funding System, a program where Jerry Norton funds 100% of your deals with his money. To learn more, go to usejerryscash.com.
If you're new here, I'm Jerry Norton. I make millions of dollars a year wholesaling and flipping houses. And here on my YouTube channel, I show you how to do the same. So if you want to be a flipping genius like me and live your dream life, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. I rely heavily on technology to run my real estate business. It's what allows me to wholesale and flip houses all across the US remotely from Puerto Rico, where I live. And when it comes to lead gen and finding discounted properties that you can wholesale and flip for profit, you need to utilize every available resource at your disposal. And fortunately, there are several great websites for finding deals. Now I'm going to cover the top 15 on this video. The first 4 sites I'll discuss are the largest and most commonly used sites by retail buyers. Now I refer to them as the Big Four, but trust me when I tell you, these sites are not just for retail buyers. You can find really good discounted and distressed properties for sale by motivated sellers. You just have to know how to find them, which I'll show you. Let's get started. First is Zillow. Now Zillow by far owns the #1 spot for searching for homes for sale. They are in pretty much every market and have become a household name when it comes to finding houses for sale. Zillow is free to use and it's fast, it's easy, and has some built-in filters such as location, price, home type, features, and more. These filters allow users to narrow searches to look for specific types of properties. Zillow is constantly changing its interface, but as of this recording, Zillow separates on-market and off-market listings. You'll see a tab called Agent Listings and then another tab called Other Listings, which includes homes for sale by auction.com or for sale by owner. Now, one of the most popular features is what Zillow calls Zestimate, which is a proprietary estimate of the home's value based on recent sales and appreciation in that area. Now, while not always accurate, Zillow has come a long ways in improving this feature. When it comes to finding investment properties, there is a way to sift through the hundreds of retail listings to find just the distressed and discounted properties for sale, and that's by using the keyword search tool under the More tab. It's a bit tedious, but you can use specific keywords such as cash only, fixer upper, TLC, and investor special, and Zillow will serve a list of distressed properties for sale with those specific words used in the description. And after years of compiling motivated seller keywords, I created a master list with dozens of the best motivated seller keywords, and I'll give you that list for free. I'll put the download link in the description box below for you. The second site on our list is Realtor.com. Similar to Zillow, Realtor.com has extensive coverage. Of the Big Four, I think Realtor.com has the best data analytics such as market forecasts and trends, details on the best schools and businesses in the area, as well as crime rates and commute times. Now, one thing I personally noticed is of the Big Four, Realtor.com invests more in cloud storage for pictures. Now, if I'm ever looking at a listing or especially sold homes when doing research and there aren't any pictures, I'll check Realtor.com and most of the time I can find pictures there. One of the biggest drawbacks is that Realtor.com does not provide any off-market listings like Zillow. The third site on the list is Trulia.com, which most people don't know is owned by Zillow. So although the user interface is different, it has the same listings and property information as Zillow. The only real difference is Trulia tries to compete with Realtor.com by providing more detailed information about individual neighborhoods for buyers and renters who are moving to an unfamiliar area. So if you prefer Trulia over Zillow, use the same keyword master list for searching for deals that I created for Zillow. Again, get that list for free, link in the description. The fourth site on the list is Redfin.com, which of the Big Four is my personal favorite site. In the retail space, Redfin competes with the traditional agent commission model of 3% listings by offering discounted listing fees with its own Redfin agents. As far as using Redfin to find investment deals, there are a few really cool features that Redfin offers that the others don't, as well as some big drawbacks. Of the big four, I think Redfin is the most innovative and eventually will surpass the others. For example, Redfin already has an investor search filter called Fixer Upper. Just check the box when searching in your area, and using their own list of keywords, Redfin will pull up a list of distressed properties for you. How simple would that be for Zillow to offer? But they don't. Now, I did a video that shows how to use this search filter on Redfin and how to set up saved searches that notify you instantly when new listings come out for sale. I'll put the link to that video in the description box below for you. The other feature I love about Redfin is it gives the price per square foot for active and sold homes, as well as the averages of the list of homes that come up in your searches. Now, price per square foot is a much more accurate way to understand price and value. I did a video explaining why price per square foot is so important and how to use it when investing in real estate. I'll put the link to that video in the description box below for you to watch later. Similar to Realtor.com, Redfin does not offer off-market listings, but the biggest downside to Redfin, and it's a big one, is that they are not yet in every market. Redfin only shows listings in locations where it has its own in-house agents. So if you do deals outside those areas, Redfin is useless. Now, this is such a bummer for me because I prefer Redfin so much over the others. The fifth site is called Data Cruncher, and it's my own proprietary scraper tool I created for finding discounted properties for sale. The way it works is you enter a zip code and it instantly serves up a list of active homes for sale in that zip code that are below the average sold price per square foot. These are the underpriced homes for sale, which means the seller is motivated or the property is in poor condition. Now, it even sorts the list by putting the most underpriced homes at the top so you know which ones to go after first. Now, this tool is a huge time saver and a must-have for investors looking for deals, and for a limited time, I'll give you an unrestricted login for free. Just go to mydatacruncher.com to get that now. Just leave a comment and say, "Thank you, Jerry, for the free deal finder tool. You are a flipping genius." Okay, let's discuss 10 more great online sites to find good deals. Number 6 on the list is Homes.com. Based on search traffic, Homes.com is the 5th largest real estate portal online. Similar to the big 4 sites already mentioned, Homes.com gathers its information from the MLS. Now, one feature I think is cool is it allows you to look at how the property's value has changed over time. The idea with this feature is to help you gain a sense of the neighborhood's home value trends and whether your home is likely to appreciate in value in the future. Another unique feature is the Snap and Search tool. With Snap and Search, if you see a home you love, simply take a picture and the site will find similar homes in your area that match the features and the type of home in that picture. As far as searching for deals, be sure to check out the pre-foreclosure and foreclosure filters under the More Filters tab. The 7th site on our list is HomeFinder.com. Functioning similar to Zillow or Trulia, HomeFinder offers an interactive search tool with filters for price, size, and property type. But what's unique about HomeFinder.com is it offers a number of for sale by owner listings, including rent-to-own properties that may not be advertised anywhere else. Number 8 on our list is ForSaleByOwner.com. ForSaleByOwner.com is one of the best real estate websites for finding homes that aren't listed on the MLS. Now, obviously, it has a lot less listings on it, but it's worth searching in your key markets because you may find for sale by owner listings that don't appear on any other websites. Now, one feature I really like about ForSaleByOwner.com is how you can make an offer right on the site. Just click Contact Seller in the top right of the listing, then click Make an Offer and fill out the simple form. Number 9 on our list is Foreclosure.com. Now, this home buying website specializes in short sales, pre-foreclosures, auction foreclosures, and bank-owned post-foreclosures, as well as city-owned houses and other distressed properties. So this is a great site for finding distressed properties. The downside for some is it's not a free service. After a free 7-day trial, it's $40 per month for access, but might be well worth it. I actually think a paid subscription is a pro, not a con, because the monthly fee reduces competition. Paid subscribers receive detailed information on the listed properties, tax roll data, and files provided by the lender. Number 10 on our list, and a competitor to Foreclosure.com, is RealtyTrack. RealtyTrack offers full access to their database of nearly 1.2 million pre-foreclosure, auction, and bank-owned properties. And like Foreclosure.com, it's a paid subscription for access. After a free 7-day trial, the cost for full membership is $50 per month. As a comparison, Foreclosure.com reports about $2 million in revenue annually with 10 employees, whereas RealtyTrack has 170 employees and does about $15 million in annual revenue. Okay, number 11 on our list is Auction.com. Auction.com is a clearinghouse of bank-owned and foreclosed properties and currently offers over 30,000 properties with opening bids that can be as low as 1/3 of their estimated resale values. Now, similar to eBay, if no one is bidding and you're the only interested party, you may get a smoking deal. Unfortunately, most properties on Auction.com have a reserve price, which means if no one meets or exceeds that price, the auction will end without a sale. Also true to the auction environment, if a property attracts a lot of interest, a bidding war can often drive the price way up. So if you decide to bid on a property on Auction.com, make sure you are aware of the auction fee as well as the reservation fees. Number 12 on our list is HUDHomestore.com, which is a site that specializes in selling foreclosed properties that were federally backed by the Housing and Urban Development. In other words, properties owned by the federal government. As you might imagine, the US government is an unemotional seller, so you can find some good deals there. One thing to be aware of is new listings are often reserved for just owner occupants, or owners who are going to be personally living in the home. HUD wants to give homeowners first shot before investors. In a lot of cases, HUD homes are not available for investors for the first 10 days. But sometimes longer, so always use the all or investor filter when searching for homes for sale. Now, I did a video where I share tips for successfully buying HUD homes. Link to that video in the description below. Number 13 on our list is Craigslist. Craigslist isn't just a place to sell your unwanted dining room table. It's also where you can find local for sale by owner listings and other properties that may not show up on websites like Zillow or Realtor.com. Now, it's not the easiest site to search for deals, which is why I built a user-friendly Craigslist finder tool that instantly generates a list of motivated sellers in any city in the US for you. Using this tool, leads are refreshed daily, so you get the best deals before your competition. And I'll give you this tool for free. I'll put the link in the description box below for you. Now, I also have an entire playlist of videos here on my channel about how to find and sell wholesale properties using Craigslist. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description below if you want to really dive into using Craigslist. Number 14 on the list is Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a lot like Craigslist. You won't find every home for sale in your area, but it's a good place to look for FSBO listings and undeveloped land. Many sellers who advertise on Facebook also offer owner financing, which is great for acquiring deals with little to no money down. And finally, I saved the best for last, and that is my own software I developed called Flipster. If you've never heard of Flipster, it's a cloud-based, all-inclusive software for organizing, automating, and streamlining all of the steps of wholesaling and flipping houses. And one of the most powerful tools in Flipster is the lead gen tools. Flipster has both on-market and off-market leads in every market in the US. What's so powerful about Flipster is not only does it help you find deals, but Flipster has everything you need to convert those leads into deals, including deal analyzers, a CRM and property workflow, contracts, scripts, and so much more. Flipster is by subscription only, and there are 3 different levels. To learn more and see it in action, just go to getflipster.com. And finally, once you find a great deal using one of these 15 websites, if it's a great deal that meets my criteria, I'll buy it and pay you a $10,000 finder fee. Now, I have systems and capital in place to fix and flip homes anywhere in the US, so if that sounds interesting to you, watch a 40-minute training video where I go over all the details about how to join my finder program. So watch that now, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel. With almost 800 videos, this is the #1 channel on YouTube for all things flipping, and I'll see you on the next video.